I am going to start by drawing my number line. I need to make a circle that has a diameter of 7 units, whatever those units happen to be. I'm going to make my units centimeters. Here's my 0.
1, 2, 3.
Here's 3.5. That's very important.
4, 5, 6, and 7.
Here's my 7. Here's my 3.5. And then I'm going to take my compass and make a semicircle. I should have drawn an actual line so I can line these things up properly. When you're making a number line, don't forget the line. I'm going to put my compass on the point on the 3.5, the pencil on the 0. Double check to make sure that it goes through the 7 as well. Make sure it goes through both ends perfectly. And if it doesn't, you might want to kind of adjust. So if it's short on one side, make it a little bit longer and not too long on the other side. I have my semicircle like that. That's going to be my hypotenuse, which is 7. I need the other leg, which is 4. I'm going to measure 4 by putting my point on 0 and adjusting to the 4. There's my radius is now 4 on my compass. I'm going to put the point on the 7 and make a little arc here. We know that this length is 4. This length is 4. This length is 7. And the theorem of Thales tells us that if we inscribe a triangle into a circle so that the base of your triangle is the diameter, then that triangle is a right-angled triangle. No matter where you draw it. We proved that the other day. If this is 7 and this is 4, this has no choice but to be the square root of 33. To get it onto the number line, if you're stuck and you can't think of anything better, you can always just draw your number line on here. Okay, and say, this is my number line. Nothing wrong with that. I wouldn't take marks off for that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We can see that it's 5 point something something. Looks like 5.567. It looks like 5.7-ish. We can do it that way. I want to bring it down. The last step that you should do is to bring it onto the number line that we originally drew. So I adjust my pencil so it goes through that point and test it first, and then bring it down like that. Notice we have the same 5.7-ish down here. What is the actual square root of 33? 33 square root is 5.744562-ish. You see how exact that is? It allows you to build the square root on the number line.